এবিপি আনন্দ, এগিয়ে থাকে, এগিয়ে রাখে।
Honorable Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ji, Vice Chancellor Vidhu Chakrabarti ji, members of the court, faculty, staff and students, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. As Governor of the State of West Bengal and Rector of this university, I deem it as an honor, staff and students, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. As Governor of the State of West Bengal and Rector of this university, I deem it as an honor to be associated with the centenary celebrations of the Foundation Day of Vishwa Bharati. It is a great privilege to be present on this auspicious and momentous occasion. It is gratifying that our worthy Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in a while will be setting the tone of this day and the year to follow. Today we stand on the cusp of centenary of the foundation of Vishwa Bharati, an institution of national importance on way to becoming a global icon in the field. The occasion reminds us that Gurudev Tagore envisioned Bharat as a powerhouse of progress and learning. Gurudev Thought's capsule and manifest the sublimity of ethos of learning. His resolve and foundational contributions, as also the visionary leadership of the Prime Minister of the country, would surely fructify into Bharat regaining its status as Vishwa Guru. The new national education policy, rightly acclaimed and hailed as a game changer, is in a varied ways influenced by Gurudev's emphasis on learning. Qualitative and significant shift from usual learning to emphasis on holistic education is a key factor of this policy. It rightly lays greater emphasis on independent thinking and creative impulses. New education policy will surely pave way for emergence of scenario envisioned by Tagore in his reflection, I quote, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where education is free, unquote. The foundational mantra of Gurudev was to rise and awaken oneself in education, fellow feeling and breadth of the soul. We all need to practice and disseminate these wholesome concepts. During the centenary year of Foundation Day celebrations, there will be activities that would help us exploit our talent, realize our potential, and generate optimism for Bharat becoming Vishwa Guru again. Ancient India was home to world-class institutions, Nalanda and Takshila, to name few. Time is ripe for us to take this lead now. Vishwa Bharati Foundation Day centenary celebrations will surely generate vibes that will directionally catalyze this wholesome scenario. It is in this spirit that we stand here together to celebrate the founding of this great institution. I urge and call upon the Vice Chancellor, the faculty and students of Vishwa Bharati and everyone else to take forward Tagore's message and fulfill his dream of creating a bridge between human beings and widen knowledge across frontiers and to practice the ethical life that he had envisioned for this ashram. I wish the institution a great time in future, which will start with the inspirational and motivational discourse of our Honorable Prime Minister. Thank you.
জ্ঞান মনস্তং ব্রহ্ম, সত্য অন্তহীন। সত্যের খোঁজও তাই, সত্য সন্ধানে তাই আমরা অক্লান্ত, অকুতভয়। এবিপি আনন্দ নতুন ভাবনার প্রতীক, যা মনে মুক্ত, তথ্যে যুক্ত এবং যাবতীয় সীমানার বাঁধন থেকে মুক্ত।
সীমা না শব্দটির মধ্যে লুকিয়ে আছে মানা শব্দটি, যেন চোখ রাঙানি এক অদৃশ্য বেড়াজাল, যা আটকে রাখে আমাদের এক ছোট্ট গণ্ডির মধ্যে। একমাত্র সঠিক খবরই গড়ে তুলবে এক মুক্ত সমাজ। সেই জগৎ গড়ার লক্ষ্যে কোনো সীমানার ঠুকুটি আমরা মানব না। এবিপি আনন্দ এগিয়ে থাকে, এগিয়ে রাখে।